Welcome to the installation video series of HYXiPOWER 4-in-1 microinverter. This series of videos consists of 3 chapters: display and pre-installation preparation, how to make a T-junction bus and microinverter installation. Now, let's take a look at the tools that we are going to use. Open the microinverter package. We can see the DC terminal, the AC branch connectors and antenna. Now, let's start making T-junction. First, prepare several sections of T-junction connecting wires according to the number of microinverters to be installed on site. Second, removing the T-junction cable at the end. Use the T-junction removal tool to remove the lower cover. Loosen the inner screw. Unscrew the nut and remove the cable. Make the T-junction bus end plug. Install a T-junction bus end plug at the end of the T-junction. Insert the lower T-junction cover back into place and make sure it is secure. Third, connect T-junction and bus. Prepare the AC cable and insert the AC cable into the T-junction connector at the correct hole position. Tighten the screws and then the nuts. Insert the lower T-junction cover back into place, making sure it is secure. Fourth, secure the T-junction cable. Put the T-junction connecting wire on the guide rail and fix it with cable tie. Now, we come to the installation of the microinverter. First, draw installation map. Tear off the serial number label of microinverter and affix serial number label on the corresponding position, according to the installation map for quick identification during maintenance. Second, fix the microinverter on the bracket with 25mm M8 screw. Then lock the screw. Route a continuous grounding cable through grounding brackets of each microinverter to the AC grounding electrode that conforms with local regulations. Third, install the PV module above the microinverter until hearing a click sound. Ensure that the installation is tight. Fourth, connect the DC output cable of the PV module with the input side of the microinverter. Now, we need to connect the AC end cable to the distribution box. Please note that the grid connection and system energizing shall be operated by professionals after obtaining the permit from the grid operator. Refer to local regulations for details. Finally, connect the distribution box to the local grid to complete the microinverter installation. Scan the QR code on the screen to get the microinverter configuration video.